Important issues concerning Telangana were discussed at the 31st Southern Zonal Council meeting, chaired by Union Minister of Home Affairs and Cooperation Amit Shah in Mahabalipuram. Chief Ministers of Southern states attended the conference, with Deputy Chief Minister Bhatti Vikramarka, Agriculture, Marketing, Cooperation, Textiles, and Handlooms Minister Tamala Nageshwara Rao, along with senior officials, representing the state of Telangana. The Telangana government focused its efforts on resolving pending bifurcation issues and finding permanent solutions to interstate matters. During the conference, Minister Tamala Nageshwara Rao submitted representations through letters to Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu regarding several key demands. A formal request to re-merge 5 Gram Panchayats surrounding Bhadrachalam back into Telangana.